So ayan po no. So this is it, our game 4. Palapit na palapit mag game 4 pabakahani or tatapusin na Team Bulwark yung laban. We have the twist dito para Miss and Brody naman si Dev, hindi talaga papipigil. DYM Joy naman ang 6K Choco, Minotaur, Esmeralda naman si Shensi, Sexy Love, and on the side naman dito on the Team Bulwark, Ajid, we have Novaya, Franco na naman si Chaos Tanker, Dabi, Glue, Jed naman dito, Karina, and we have Curry for X Burner.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battle.
Ayan mga kapatid, Poprasti na New Rough, puti diha. Wala delay coming from Chaos Tanker pero wala na yan, hindi yan tulad dati sir. Power ng last hit. Hindi sir, naiwasan dun. Nakaunta ko pero murag naigawa po nga clashing with both of team. Waiting for the little wonder. Chaos Retrigant, sino kaya ang kukuha? Parang nagdadalawang isip yung si Jade guys, and I think secured na secured dun. Oy, andito pala si Debbie. Our Glue. Ikaw ata yung magiging first blood. Easy get out lang po. Uy, bawal. Bawal. Makagawa pong meeting nun. Eto na, try to steal for the hook naman. Na retry na, ginamitan na ng retry. And delikado tuloy dito si Chaos Tanker, a flicker out. And still, nahuhuli na, hahabol pa rin ni Shen. Yung sa follow-up field, Jed. Relax lang, kuya mo. Split coming from Dabi guys, waiting for a perfect moment. Sasakay, sino kaya yung pipiliin dito? Murang hadlock man, atras lang sa call, kaya murang di kaya call. Yung hook na pigilan doon. What a perfect set coming from the ultimate of our Shen. Twiz, Il Dabi, and there's another kill. Chaos Tanker is out as well. And dancing Joy DYM, hinahabol si Jed. Jade kung wala tayo hungaw og ngipon. The second turtle save na pa. Second ba to? First pala. First turtle. Ito na naman, sasayaw naman dito si Joy guys. Pinapakita ni Joy yung dancing Joy no? DYM, Joy God. And 6K Choco nasa side lane lang para miss, hindi hinabol, hindi umabot doon. And we have Chaos Tanker. Munti ka na, hindi tinamaan yung ultimate doon. What a perfect flicker! Hook flicker coming from Chaos Tanker, but still alive pa naman yung ating 6K Choco. Jeez! With the help of an ultimate coming from Paramis, no? Ayan, nakababag na gamay itong pan, guys. Ito na lang kung magkakao, no? Eto, DYM dancing Joy. Alright, Joy meron ng Genius Wand. Heptasis na si Dev Brody. And talisman naman yung ating kaibigang Esmeralda, si Shen. And of course, on the side naman sa team Bulwarks, talisman na rin si Novaria. Walang iba kundi si Haji. And we have Demon Hunter for our carry. Checking for the hook. Tatama ba kung Joy dancing Joy. Hinahabol si Haji bro, easy. Lapos lang para iwas casualty. And yun, nakuha na naman ni Shen yung the second turtle, guys. And delikado pa dito si Jed. Pumasok na Pandol. Huling-huli sa Acto, sir. Item check natin yung curry, guys, no? Si Karina. Kabulo to. Dito na, this is it, pansit. Hanap ng tiyempo. Shen. Ayun. Wapa ko'y masulti, guys, ha. Murag relaxing pa kayo mga clashing save. Oh, there is an hook to conclude. Shen, it might be trouble. Pumasok 6K Choco ultimate ton. Pero I think what a save coming from our Paramis. Buhay na buhay po yung Shen dito. DYM got that kill for Jed. And then, Debbie. In trouble ba? Split kisa yung untulan. No, what a perfect dodge. Buhay pero he will goes down. Coming from Joy DYM. Sheesh. Grabe. Exchanging blows. This is one of the problem on the side of the Bulwark, guys. Ang Paramis, no, kailangan yung patayin muna si Paramis. Yung mahawakan ng Chaos Tanker na hindi magagamit ng ultimate. But still, it's not yet over. 40 gold advantage lang yung lamang dito ng team Enigma Ethereals. Ano naman to? This is the third turtle, ha? Titignan natin dito. Dabi o Darsen Hook, tinamaan yung tank si Minotaur pa yung nahuli. Dabi split dito. Sasakay ako. And there you go. 6K Choco, mamamatay ba? Still alive pa naman doon. He will goes down. And Chaos Tanker is now in trouble. And there you go. Dave. The finishing move, the ultimate. Dabi, delikado, mamamatay din by Paramis attack. That was a 1 versus 2 trade. And the turtle is secured on the Enigma Eternals. That was the second time around. The third time around na. Jed will goes down. Gabi si DYM. Gigil na si Joy. There's a nook. Hindi tatama. Not enough damage ba si Expert? Papasok dito sa 6K Choco. Sheesh! Grabe si DYM. Naka-glowing wand and genius wand na po. Eto. Dabi inside the tower with against 3 enemy heroes. Shen targeting the tower lang po. Focusing. Pero hindi yata kaya. Wala pa minions and 4 enemy heroes na. Hinarap dito ni Dabi. Nisungay na gyod. Di target niya. Oy, Paramis. This is good with advantage guys. Wala na pong Paramis. Pero the problem pumasok. 6K Choco. With an ultimate. A perfect set. Ayun, nakuha rin 6K Choco. Pero mamamatay din siya. Mega deal. DYM 4 heroes against 1. At oo nga pala. 4. 2 lang yung nalagas dun. Paspas pag yun ang kinabuhi ni Paramis. Naku po. Paramis is doing it. Si Paramis talaga yung hadlang. Parang nangangamoy game 5 ata to, boss. Di pa, boss. Hindi pa tapos yung laban, boss. Alam nyo naman yung nangyari sa game to. Kitang-kita sa CCTV paano tinapos ng Bulwark, no? And don't forget, X-Burn, carry na, paspas pa. More paspas pang attack speed. Gitumba ang baka. Si Boss Twix, yun ang grabe ang isdak yan. On the side of the team ito. Hahabulin. Ultimate right away. Delikado ata dito. Si Georgie meron pa siyang ultimate. Papasok pa. And look at right now. Buhay na buhay. Si Georgie, a perfect ultimate coming from Twix. Buhi gyapon si Joy. Salamat sa tulong ng Paramis nyo. Sheesh! Ito ang mangyayari ngayon guys. Joy, meron na bang concentrated energy? Meron na nga. Kaya pa lang, gulong-gulo. Devi, burst damage. Mamamatay siya. And together with Dev, yung ating Broody, meron ng BOD, Berserk Fury, and Heptasis. The burst damage on our Broody is incredible. Delikado pa yung X-Burner natin dito. Easy get out lang. X-Burner with the Demon Hunter and Golden Staff. Anga, oy! Ipitaan nilo Paramis ba? And dumagdag pa si Joy. Hirap pigilan. Advantage pa yung item ni Joy dito, pero easy stop lang kasi the first Lord pa naman din yan mga kapatid, no? Ayan. Ayan na po. Eto na po ang tinatawag na po. There's an ultimate. Tumama doon sa isang hero. Pero look at X-Joy. JYM. X-Burner is down. There's another one. Dev double kill. Hajin. Pero Jade will cut off DYM. Eto yung problema guys. Tatlong hero na lagas dito on the side of the team Bulwarks. But still, apat na hero is alive on the team Nigma Ethereals. Eto na, they are pushing mid and top lane. Mahuhuli Dabi do ultimate Rekta targeting the tower right away. Shut down Jade. What a perfect play coming from Jade. Hindi pa natatakot. Buhay na buhay yung kasama. Sheesh! Humano na nila pero ayaw sa call kay Hadlock call. Delikado call. Bali na pong kalit call. Ayan na mga kapatid, no? Naghahanap ng tamang tempo yung ating team Bulwarks. And eto, andito sila sa Lord. This is the third time around na Lord. What a perfect set kami, 6k Choco. Apat yung tinamaan doon for the ultimate Shen. Pumasok din, Jade will goes down. And there's no Dabi, sasakay, susungay. Laban lang, kuya mo. Grabing gigod ni Joy, DYM dito, si Novaya inside the tower. Chaos Tanker, buhay na buhay pa. Stay na dito, ni Brody yung Lord. And now Dabi do, naka-flicker out. Joy, pumasok si Joy. DYM. What a whoop, munti ka ng tamaan ng hook, tama na. Good luck. Enigma Ethereals, no? Ethereals din na siya, pero lisod man. Reals na ako. Ayun, ultimate na. Papa Paramis, pumapalag pa rin dito yung team Bulwarks guys. Ayun, nalagas na po. Si Dev will goes down. There's a nuke, tinamaan yung minion. Sayang yun. And we have still Debbie, buhay na buhay. And the damage coming from X-Burn. Shutdown na po yung Shen. Nako, dalawa yung nalagas sa team dito. And Novaya, hahabol ito. Joy, nasa likod. Gigil na gigil. Hindi ito natatakot si Joy Joy. Oy, mali yung takbo. Ba't pumunta ka doon kay Dabi? Punta ka sana sa tank para dalawa kayo. Malakas. Eto, Dabi, split. Double kill. Anga aning DYM. Oy, anga. Oy, complete item naman na hindi. Oy, Holy Crystal at Divine. Oy, anga. Oy. Ayun, the damage Jade talaga. Walang magagawa dun, sir. Pwede pa announce happy retirement sa ML Tournament Post G. Si SK Chairman Manapadayon. Oy! Boss G! Grabe naman ang ayaw sa... Oy! Focus muna tayo sa totoong buhay. Boss G is saying this, guys, no? Happy retirement, Boss G. Wait lang, nag-clashing pa, Boss G. Eto na. Umapalag pa rin dito yung Team Bulwarks, guys. No more towers. Split coming from Dabi, pero GYM, si George yung nasa likod. Sinasayawan yung kalaban, double kill, unstoppable. And this is it, Pansit. Parang moving forward for Game 5. Sheesh!
Victory!
Grabe, sir. Grabe, sir. Ayaw po, Boss G, napata sa Kwan, Season 5, babot patag, Season 18.
Subscribe.